Hey guys, if you've been looking to create high converting sales funnels and pages that actually work for your network marketing offers for your team to help them to produce, or if you're an affiliate marketing offer and you want to make more sales, well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some custom made pages that you won't find anywhere, and there's a lot of pages that you'll find in other builders like ClickFunnels and other places that aren't custom, and you have to know how to actually create pages if you want pages that look like this. But we have them here, and you can easily select them, copy and paste and edit. It's all drag and drop, all very easy for you to do, and it works like a charm, right? And we have people in here that create pages, so you'll get custom pages that you won't be able to get anywhere else when you use this builder. Now, this funnel builder that I use is the same builder that I built my traffic store off of. My traffic store is an e-commerce store. It's Profit Builders Traffic. So if you've never been over to profitbuilderstraffic.com, go over there and take a look. It's an e-commerce store. It shows me my stats. It shows me how many people actually bought a traffic package. It shows me where they came from, right? So you can have all this stuff and you don't need to pay hundreds of dollars for your funnel builder tool. This funnel builder tool is only $25 per month, and you get all these cool templates, and we pay you $20 per month to use this tool. So you get all these professional pages that you can easily select and import into your funnel builder very, very easily, right? So you have very high quality pages right here for anything you need. This one is for webinars. This one's for webinars as well. So you can have these different pages and be able to use them for whatever you need in your business. So if you're creating your own membership site, if you're creating your own sales funnel, if you create a team funnel, it doesn't matter. You can use these pages in this builder for only $25 per month. And the cool thing about it is we pay you $20 per month, and you also get access to, training on how to actually do it the right way. So if you're looking for high quality funnel building tools, then this is definitely for you. And we share with you how to integrate your domain to your builder and how to actually get a email and a business domain for when you send out email, and how to integrate it with your funnel builder right here, and how to set up the DMARC, SPF, and the DKIM records. And that's so you get better deliverability when you send out your emails. We also show you different things like how to create your pages in the builder, how to optimize for mobile, how to create multiple funnels, how to create a hero page, which is basically a page that's branded to you, how to track your leads within the builder so you know where every single lead is coming from, how to create your own offers and products, how to do upsells and downsells, how to do membership sites, how to create your own website. We share with you all that stuff in this training right here. And you get that with the funnel builder when you get the funnel builder for $25. And you can click on the link below this video, and you're going to go to my hero page, which explains how I was able to make my first 100 grand online. So if you want to know how I've been able to do that, then click on the link below this video, and you'll be taken to a page. You'll have to put in your information, and then it'll take you to a presentation that shows you exactly how I did it. So if you want to learn that, make sure you click on the link below this video. And if you're looking for very high quality traffic sources, I'd suggest coming over here to premium traffic and conversions. Now, when you get the funnel builder tool, you get 2 weeks free of this right here. And there's a box that you check when you go to sign up, and we show you how to get traffic. So we show you different traffic sources. We show you free strategies. We show you how to launch your own business. We show you how to invite people. We show you how to follow up with people on Facebook and get leads. We show you how to, continue to create a relationship. We show you how to do short form video. We show you how to rank your videos. We show you how to get more people to your YouTube videos. We show you how to use Facebook to get traffic. We show you how to do podcasting. We show you how to get people from LinkedIn. We show you how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to blog for your business, and how to do a launch, right? So if you're launching a product, this is definitely going to help you as well. This traffic and conversions portion, there's also paid methods right here. Here's low cost lead generation for local businesses. Here's solo ads. Here's text message marketing. So if you're using text messaging for your marketing, this shows you how. Here's YouTube automation for your business. Here's Facebook ads. Here's Facebook video ads. So all these strategies will be able to help you to build and grow your business online. So if you're looking for the best traffic strategies to use online, I love using Facebook and YouTube to generate leads because they're the highest quality leads that you'll ever want to get. Search engine traffic and people looking for you is always going to be your best quality lead that you could possibly get. And then we show you how to convert people as well. So conversions and all this stuff right here, this is what this teaches you, right? You get 2 weeks free of this. We do daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom. So you get this, we give you the coaching by video, and we also have daily hands-on coaching. So that means if you have a question, you can come on and get your questions answered every single day. We show you live over the shoulder how to do your marketing, how to write emails that serve and sell, how to create YouTube videos, what to put in your YouTube videos, how to get your YouTube videos to rank. We show you how to connect with people on social media like Facebook, so that way you can create connections with people as well. So we show you all this stuff within this portion right here. So when you go and you get the funnel builder tool, you get 2 weeks free of this. So make sure you check that box when you go to get the funnel builder tool, right? So that way you have the coaching, right? So you always get support, and there's a lot of very good free strategies in here. And if you want paid strategies on marketing, then you could come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com and you could get some solo ads, some very high quality solo ads. So this is good traffic that actually I give you help and support with your funnel, so you're not left alone. And I help you to make sure that your offer is targeted to the traffic that you get, right? And then your capture page and your sales copy are congruent, and that you get high quality traffic, because that's very important. When you go and you get traffic, you want to know that the traffic is very high quality. And when you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic, and I help you to set up your funnel and your offers. I help you to get as high as 85% opt-in rate when you're running paid traffic, which is the highest in the industry. Right now, I don't know anybody that's got a higher opt-in rate than me with sales and documented proof of results. And I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because it's very important when you're running any kind of paid traffic. And I want to help you to build a list of very highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So how this works is in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1 as well. Then we launch your campaign review, and I review your funnel. We do a strategy call. I show you how to keep your emails out of the spam box, so that way they're actually being delivered to the inbox and people are actually seeing your emails. I show you how to get the best conversions with your funnel. I give you tips and strategies on a daily routine that actually gets results. So you're going to want to book that call with me whenever you order a traffic package. Then we launch your campaign within 72 hours after you have your strategy call. If you don't have the strategy call, it will start within 3 days, but I highly suggest you take advantage of the strategy call because it's included with it. Here's some of the results that I've got for people. There's 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales, right? And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look at this for yourself as well. Here's 90% tier 1 traffic. Here's 100% tier 1 traffic. Pick the one that works best for you. And then here's some of the questions that people ask. So before you write me down here, make sure you check this page right here. this portion because some of your questions may be answered in there. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you real traffic, 100% real people, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And here's a box where you can actually put in a question. If you have questions, concerns, or anything that you want to do, you can put them in here, or you can put your comments below this video and I will answer them on the YouTube channel as well. So make sure you leave your questions below this video and I will help you to answer them. And you can also leave a message below on this page and I will reach out. It will go to my support inbox and somebody from support will contact you, right? So you will always get that help and support that you need when you work with me. And if you want to get into my free Facebook group, there's going to be a link below this video to get into my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. There's also going to be this page where you can come to my traffic store and order a traffic package that's going to be below this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.